Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we will make a Marvel intro using Filmora 9. Import these videos to the Filmora 9. Download these videos from the link given in the description. Now simply drag this video to the timeline. Go to the 4th second and add any title. Now extend this text layer till the end. Double-click on the text layer and click Advanced. Now type the text of your own choice. Change the font and apply the Marvel one. Download the Marvel font from the link given in the description. Now go to the 8th second and cut the layer. Double-click on the first part and go to Advanced. Now go to Animation and select this animation. Now drag this video to the timeline and shrink it to 8 seconds. Double-click on this video, go to Compositing and change the blending mode from normal to multiply. Now go to the Transitions tab and apply the dissolve transition like this. The Marvel intro has been made. Let's preview this.